It's currently 6:23 a.m. It's time to start shooting. Now, I apologise if I'm talking quite fast here, but the adrenaline has hit. This for me is a landscape photographer's dream. The photographs we've taken here are just fantastic. I've been so pleased with this situation. To be able to find a scene like this, it's really, really fulfilling. It's why we do it. Whoa, okay, that's beautiful. The sky is just on fire right now, and it is mesmerising. To be able to get a situation like this comes only once every few months to get a beautiful sunset. All around us here you'll see there are pony rides and donkey rides, and there are children playing on scooters. I have about the worst balance of anyone you'll ever meet, so I'm a little bit sceptical about walking on these rocks. And now the part that I've been putting off, I'm going to go down there. I'm invariably going to get quite wet. It's exciting times. Let's get started with some shooting. I feel really lucky to be able to capture this right now. In the rain, in the wind, in low light, in all kinds of horrible conditions, we finally made it. We have found a waterfall, and wow, what a waterfall it is. It's blowing an absolute gale out here. I'm soaking. Now, famous last words, I'm gonna get a little bit closer. That's really beautiful, there we go. It's such a vibrant, lively Sicilian market. It's a really cool place to capture photos. That was a lot of fun. I think you'll agree, it's a pretty cool shot. And this is where you start to get the real best shots. Anyone can take photos on a bright and sunny day. It's this sort of weather that really separates you. The photographs we've taken here are just fantastic. I've been so pleased with this situation. You know, it's not often that you manage to get a beautiful location, perfect weather, great clouds, great color. I really enjoyed making this video, and I hope that you've enjoyed watching it. Thanks for watching.